If only Indian parents knew how to accept their kids as individuals, everyone would be a lot happier. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to review a book titled A Pleasant Escape by Piyush Rohankar. First and foremost, I want to thank the author for sending me a copy of his book. So thank you, sir. Guys, can we just please take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this cover? I mean, look at this. How beautiful. Now coming back to this book. The story is primarily focusing the arduous and routine struggle and hardships of civil services aspirants. And the fact that author himself, being a civil servant, has experienced all these hardships during his years of civil services preparation makes this novel even more realistically appealing. I think I was able to finish this book in 2 days, given the fact that I only read this in the evening hours, and I must say this is a very fast pace. So this is a story about a young boy named Alok Shirke who moves to Old Rajendra Nagar in Delhi to begin his journey of IAS preparation, and in the process he happens to make a lot of friends and also goes through few heartbreaks as well. In the story you will find some subplots which are ultimately needed. Some might find that those were an exaggeration. The story could have been a little compressed, but in the end you will realize that those little bit of tiny details and elements were actually needed to sort of weave this entire story together. So there are certain subplots in the story which will give meaning to this entire novel altogether in the end. This story is not only of Alok's, but of all those young minds which are stuffed with the notion that government jobs are the only way out. This novel beautifully describes that how societal and parental pressures are taking thousands of lives. This book unravels some very concrete themes. The book has highlighted political and social evils like prostitution, corruption, clash between caste and religion very beautifully. Yet the main focus is directed towards how Indian parents have become so rigid and so stubborn when it comes to exam pressure and getting government jobs. This book beautifully voices the pain of lakhs of students who unwillingly try to fit into the expectations of society and their family, so much so that their own self is somewhere lost in that social competition and rat race, and this ultimately leads to people ending their lives. I'll read one of the lines from this book, guys, which aptly justifies the social pressure which are inflicted upon lakhs of students. If only Indian parents knew how to accept their kids as individuals, everyone would be a lot happier. The readers are also made aware of the beauty and historical richness of Delhi through the medium of this novel, and some poetic talents could also be seen throughout the book, as author himself has penned down some very brilliant pieces of poetry throughout this book. So that caters to an added advantage, so to say. There's a very good punch of reality seen throughout this book. The author has substantiated his work with some real life references which took place during that time. Some of the political events have also been added in this novel to provide a realistic touch to this fiction piece. The vivid mention of certain historical places makes this beauty extremely appealing. Author has also added the element of political satire throughout the novel when he, more specifically when he talks about the clash between religion and caste. Bribery, corruption, prostitution are also slammed with utmost grit. Here is a short reference I'll read out to you guys. I know problems are aggravated by corruption and inefficient bureaucracy. They are the root of social injustice and inequality. The most interesting part of this novel happens to be a strange revelation at the end. I mean, the ending was so superbly written that I wasn't able to predict the ending, and which makes this book even more good in that respect, and this made me fall for this book to much more greater degree. One thing which really appealed to me in this book was the perseverance and determination and willpower of Alok, who refused to give up, who did not succumb to the odd phases in his life and career. This is what really stood out for me. Now, the title of the book speaks of an escape. After this strong revelation, the question arises that will Alok be able to see his life as a pleasant escape, or will he be overshadowed by the repercussions of it? The truth unfolds in this book itself. So you got to read this. So yes, this was a kind of jam-packed read for me, undoubtedly. I mean, this had elements of social satire, realistic approach, love plots, suspense aspect and whatnot. Plus, language is pretty much simple and flowy. You will finish this book in no time. The only thing which kind of pinched me was Alok's flirtatious nature. I mean, that boy was ever ready to fall in love. Hence, this story is written very beautifully and vividly. It actually reflects the pain and hardships of UPSC aspirants, plus the real setting of Delhi's Rajendra Nagar, which is considered to be the hub for CSE aspirants, provides a much needed appeal to this novel. The book is extremely relatable, and I had a good time reading this, and I'll recommend this to everyone who wants to read something dramatic yet very serious, raising some legible and genuine concerns. And I think it's a 4-star read for me. And yes, that was all, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please consider liking it, sharing, commenting if you have any suggestions, and also subscribing to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram, and if you have any query or suggestions, please do let me know. Until then, be safe, do well, and thank you.